People say that the universe conspires you to achieve what you really want. I've always wanted a fairy tale kind of a life wherein my wife would love me as much as I love her. I would look forward to each day going to the office after seeing her and coming back. It's something that I would always want to do and would love to do.
I just want to tell him that in the past 4 years, whatever he's done for me and how much ever he's tried, I think now it's my turn to return all that, whatever he's done, and make him happy. So I think I'm pretty excited for giving my best for it. I think I'm looking forward for everything coming up now, yeah.
घर खाली लगेगा. I'll miss her, of course. The छोटी-छोटी गला जैसे like we are sitting on the table eating, we talk so many things, we discuss so many things. I'll miss that, someone I can talk to, discuss. Carla आएगी नहीं, मम्मा किधर आएगा? Mummy has to do everything for her. She's a little baby. I'll miss her like anything, of course.
लड़कियां पराया धन होंदियां ने बहुत खुशी हो रही है. यह दिन देखने वास्ते मैं कितने टाइम का इंतजार कर रही थी.
The first thing which I do when I'm back from work is just go to her room and just pounce on her and give her a tight hug. I'm gonna miss that the most because she hates that. And yeah, just her general being around in the family is what I'm really gonna be missing about her.
When I learned how to ride a cycle, so I had a very long seat and I would make both of them sit behind and take them out for a round. I was like probably 4 or 5 year old. That time was chote hain, so you have to make them have fun and go out and stuff, and now they've grown up, so they do everything on their own.
He's always got this aura about him, but he can just, he enters the room, he's got this charm, he can just liven it up.
Looking forward to a very good night. Just waiting for Timir and his band to start. I'm sure we're gonna rock.
I'm very excited for his wedding. He's getting married to somebody he's always loved. I just love both of you. You guys, I want you to be very happy in life and just be rocking all your life.
Anubhav is not like a brother-in-law for me. He's more like a friend for me. So I'm really happy for him that he's marrying a girl whom he really likes and he wanted to get married to. And I wish both of them a very happy married life.
We are quite like friends. He talks to me about everything. I finalized it, so I should get the credit for all this.
तुम लोग खुश रहो एकदम और सुखी रहो, सब परिवार सुखी रहो, ये लोग भी बहुत खुश रहेंगे.
Marriage is a journey, so you just have to travel that journey. I'm very proud of him. I'm very happy for him. Aanchal is beautiful from inside out. Welcome, Aanchal. Love you so much. Wish you a very happy married life.
This ring is the symbol of our love. When she made me wear this ring, that was the first time I felt that she's going to be with me forever.
It's it's just a new phase in your life now. It's moving on to the next level. You have someone to, as your companion for everything and anything. You don't need anyone else if he's there by you.
I was sitting in my room and I was just blank.
I called him right now. I know nothing. I don't remember any performances. If we both forget, we might just do some random dance and come down.
Impromptu.
No, we'll do something else. Obviously, we'll do a dance.
Yeah, impromptu only.
These guys are scaring me with chutney and eggs and God knows what all.
There's lots more to come.
It's finally sinking in, last night when she was gonna sleep, I was just realizing it's the last night and her last day as a Bhasin, and it's probably gonna be her first day as an Agarwal starting from today. It's finally digesting and it's finally sinking in. It's a crazy feeling.
Marriage, the word is very small, but it is probably the biggest thing in your life. It's like you are two for the next, God knows, 60, 70, 80 years of your life. So I'm looking forward to it.
I'm just looking forward to getting to know everyone more and more, spending quality time with them. A lot of exciting things to come.
Live a happy life, enjoy your life, have fun, all the best.
We are both screwed now.
Right.
Anubhav and Achal, I love you a lot.
They'll have a great life.
He has put in all his efforts he had.
Father's biggest achievement in life to get his daughter married. So the time has come to execute my responsibilities. And God bless him for a smooth and happy married life.
It's been a long journey. People say that the journey matters more than the destination. But in my case, I feel the destination, that is Achal, was ultimately who I always wanted to be with.
No one in the world apart from him can handle the way I am. And I'm so glad that it's him. I think he balances me completely and no one else would ever do that.